So, you want to be the king or queen of affiliate marketing. Let's make it happen. First up, choose your niche wisely. Find something you're passionate about and that has a hungry audience. Remember, enthusiasm is contagious. Next, focus on high-quality content. Your audience can tell when you're just in it for the cash. Provide value, and they'll keep coming back for more. Then, leverage social media like a pro. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for reaching new audiences. Post engaging content regularly and interact with your followers. Don't forget to optimize your website for SEO. Good SEO means more organic traffic and higher conversions. Use tools like Google Analytics to stay on top of your game, and finally, track your performance. Use affiliate tracking software to see what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on real data, not just gut feelings. So there you have it. With these tips, you're all set to dominate affiliate marketing in 2024. Go get 'em, champ.